Edward. Bunge wa kirima wa Imenti Central kirima ngushine nethirite ya kialura mere ya wentu kuinkai nyuma ya kumeneria thirikari akiwetitithitie mantuge kithomo buboya akiaria na ndikibanto to kirima nethirite ichitie tanambere kwa tambaru thirikari ya William Ruto iretongeretwe kinyane kithure kindi kuma rutere rwa Mount Kenya East akiwa muturi wawe akiguthira na gantu kinyawe no mwankethira kigundika na gantu kau kirima nethirite akiaria miari nkurani uria siasa no tongeria ndene ya Kenya na kinya ndene ya kirimara
wanga ikiochwekana ore kono yo kiogerekera kene wethoka ya korumi kana teu baraba kothioroka bakiuga to kuma thirikari-ini baraba kothioroka bakiuga to kuma thirikari-ini ibamenye bau ni arongo totiuma thirikari-ini ende kioria kire kwenda kurua thirikari-ri gatotibweri kuria mbere nia kwe makosa ya kuria kioria tuorie ina mbeca cieto ire ciana kuthoma imakosa tuuga mbeca ni gucererwa itereja imakosa ibo gwetekeria tora yebioria bwe bo bwenda mujumbe okwaria kana otekwaria gutuma thirikari-ini na inyora gerio toingira tukaringa murango tugatonya tugetia kira tugweteria antu ba iguru utugatwenga thirikari-ini inyote tinde ochia area utugatwenga kwe baba chiometie kuona ba utothorithania thirikari ende thirikari tutemenana nio nontu nio ndeti ntobio bionde babwe kabo kwenda bwe tumake thirikari baba kuthiuruka na na bia mabibinge bigwetwa PNU DCP na bibinge batetwe kanya tugaiterwa ngogeroi kabo kurega twiterwa ngoge bwe thirikari baba nge gweka bena ko gagutwa babwe te bwo batare thirikari ye ende agwitira ngoge kwe makosa na ndato kuromba baba kuthiuruka na kiama keu kia DCP na kiama keu kia UMP keu kia Kawira na kiama kia PNU na biama biu bingi bawamaro na bakaronso ibatuwe kanya twiterwe ithirikari yetu era twatarire na totara thirikari yeruto achoka atojokeria muthaka wetu gwetwa o atojokeria kindikite sawa totiuga roi motori nyako ingira ome akathenja akagera kendende ome kinya kuru ekwete thagana kendende otigwinya moruke na kothenjete kwa una ndene unkuga tukare au kiriwe tuba support nonto itwe twachwire thirikari na tutemenyo chwa tutigera bangi tukama tukatotige thirikari eto neke nere moyo nere o kwa muntu ratinda kwaria orongo iguru ria buthuguchi asau na menye batuito support thirika mwanga nchobi ethire ntore ne chieto nonto neyo ketie kanya antu agatwana inchobi na nyanka borombera ambiende nyanka borombera ambika nambi na gwatue kote anto bareo twethera ngo gathari tokothithia atia nyato akira stima iba ikamureka iraro oi nyato athithia barabara uto kothithia baba bageta iraro oi tole amwe nchobi ethithia atia ibangana bagweta kaneria nchobi ethire makandune kia more na kathwene teu wau ini ndauga kaibabwe ibwega yo ngaikeria kaunta kamechino na arua ibo bakorugithia na ibo bakorugithia bori cherugithia nchobi ro ye kathira yani nyachibwa karinga riboti bori chie ata kothagana ya uchokia kaire itogweta kaneria bete no ito public participation public participation yani babo bwagita bori chie thithiata ibachenjwa toretero bange teu bakuga
abunge baraba kwa tambaru ura ware munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua no ne mutongere wa kiama kia DCP ne bachumirite kwa ne bakumakira uturo bo nyuma ya bokuwa ne baraithukirwa ro ne maabisa bo polisi no tema itia brade na yo bakiari ne bethite bakimeneria rwangiro polisi bakuwa ne rutumuro buto buke siasa bakuria polisi bakuthira bakirita nguyo kuringana na katiba ya Kenya kuluki ne baurite ne ndendo nyingi ira chikwethirikirwira uturo bwa kari na kinya mantu ingi kioto kio muntu kuthira baba tethere kendo chokaniria uturo bo nyuma yabo kuthira bakithangiko bunene ne untubo murunga moyo yoge siasa
please don't kill us. Please don't allow security apparatus to be controlled by politicians, because politicians may not know how to operate. Let the mama mbogas of Gonda, of Gacharage, of Kandara, of Kangari do their businesses. The small businesses they do, you do not have to tear gas them. So we are saying it's a sad day, and I think we want to call on the International Criminal Court to come and carrying out investigations, because our security agencies cannot be able to help us. They have been taken captive by William Ruto, Ndiki, the deputy president. Nobody doesn't know what Murkomen has said, and the ICC should note that we have no control over the police. DIG Lagat, after what he was accused of, he's back to work. So we can only call upon the international community to come to our aid. Otherwise, William Ruto is determined to kill all of us.
Everybody has a freedom of choice. We have a choice and freedom to associate with whoever we associate ourselves with. And that freedom is fundamental, it is in our constitution. We also have a right to dissociate ourselves with anybody we feel we don't want to associate with. We have dissociated ourselves 100% with President William Ruto. Nothing, absolutely nothing, will take us back to William Ruto. And let me tell William Ruto, so long as a bullet has not gone through the members of this team that you are seeing here, we will still be there telling our people to chase you home, because you are the worst accident that ever happened to this country. Electing you was a tragedy of monumental magnitude.
They've broken our windscreens, they've broken our window panes, and for no reason at all. So we want to condemn that act strongly and tell the police, unfortunately, they are being used by politicians. And the resolve we have that we will not stop talking what we need to say regarding our people will not go away. However many times they attack us, however many times they try and kill us, they cannot kill all of us.
As we were joining the main road coming from the church, we were ambushed by the police. Without our awareness, they started eating our cars. One particular police officer had a very big stone, and they eat the windscreen, so even the driver could not be able to see. But I want to thank God and my driver, because the swift action actually saved us, because he swerved and went downwards. Otherwise, during that particular moment, 3 bullets passed through the body of my car, and I was particularly the target, and I believe it was an attempted assassination.
Akariba mara kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi nende bakethira bakiniro ni rwendo rweto chwa utungata bokoti ntere chechuka bubu ite nyuma ya waki bokoti ntere chia kegangoro naragethira itumika na milioni 3 akigendo tiro utungata bunde bo bakinyila kwina matura yo kuluki mubunge wa nteru ne thite ta radio ntubo bokethira bokiothia mantu ya maingi igiocho utungata kiwa kariba ne bethirita boy kulukira kaita gakomo kwa ita riraya
Umaya ngendo cia mianka akariba gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Maragwa bathirageria irato biao njirani kuthikotini achuka tika irende koti ya gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Marere akube kujura gĩakagwa kĩama gĩa gĩcigo mbunge gĩkĩ.
Okay, then over time the other day twagena mahala sub county kana mahala constituency na tugena mahala constituency tujitutule kuthikotini chuka tuona ni wega twakikisi tukumba kuleta services ya kwinantu gitumi mwaka juu turaina jujwa thirikari 24 25 na 25 26 okay twikirite mbesa ya kuwakira antu ba mahala constituency kana mahala sub county na Muthambia sub county
ari ungite kenda kuraura mwaka ũrothiĩte na mbere wa koti ĩno mũbunge Kareke Mbiuki ariuga tũgĩkinya mwaka wa 2026 ũkegwe kũnjũra neri tayari kũrugũrwa
kenda tumba kuleta services akuwe na mwananchi na mumonde mari issues ira ntaba mala barisaga kwa kwenda huduma tuko nayo tayari kwa kwenda koti ndio yetu tunajenga na mwaka juu wa 2025 tukikinya mwisho tukikinya 2026 officially tukwera tuwe na chief justice ejite kulugula koti officially.
Kũringana na mwakĩre wa koti ĩno mũbunge Mbiũki ariuge kethirwo ĩrĩ na makoti maĩrĩ, koti ya wĩthire na nkinya koti ya mĩhĩndere kaomba kwĩthirwa ĩgĩtethia kariba gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Maraba nene.
One ni ya mauntu magora kwenda magistrate court, okay, irekerwe kianduraga mauntu monde mara maokonie antu betu guku makilaimu mauntu mambi no maofisadi na vile kerwa kwena court ya miunda mauntu ma environment and land courts irekerwe ile alia tukina kinyela kwambia gwaka court te nyombia muji nitujukitie nkulukia mwaka jumuke ko water approval mbere kwamba gwitikirirwe ni judiciary that twake koti kukulukira GCDF misolo juu wona buye akitwe drawing yujonda kana misolo yonde manite na judiciary na baba kusupervise kana kulongamira ngugira ni judiciary ni koti
muthia augite tiga koti akindi barikiria barenda gwaka nkinya gituo kia borichi kira kibatiri kwethirwa kiri akubi na koti nontu bwa mitaratara ya koti-ini
top ya gwaka koti mukajuna jutuna jwa thirikari 25-26 tukura tugiakaga police station wa ukiganguru nontu ira twene ochogoria ni congested twake police station nontu taira wa kila koti omwango kerwa wina police post.
Kiripotera wero weekendi kuma gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Maraba mbitagwa Martin Mugambi.
Gatonekanya gakunoka inchokerete na nteto ingi.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as your skiza tune.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make all your paths straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones. Amen.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as your skiza.
Moxie Aluminium nio nduka enjero buria hadu ya Meru iria gukwa into bionthe byo kuthongomia nje kuna kinyobisi kuna maguri ja mega turi na into mwanya bithongi ja aluko board sheets, polycarbonate sheets, car shade net, stainless steel wax, perspex glass, aluminium wax, bathroom cubicle, frameless glass door, glass balconies, glass wax, insulation sheets, locks union kanayel, acoustic ceiling na skylight kana pagola. Turi mita inka ya kiruterero muthomurango nejo gutonyera Greenwood City Mall Meru. Iturugura ntuko chionde kuma Jumatatu mwanka njuma kwambira thejiri charuki iri mwanka thaa 11 ciogoro nontu bwante tonkuruki yongira nduka yetu kana uturingire thimu kurukira 0706446198 bwinthe ipo gwa tiogeni.
Keke kabeja na kamutu yake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice siri ni mutujo nice extra premium
mutindi nyenye na kamusere
inyaju twena jua mbishori kuma nice rice millers mwea
moguri wa kinyandukene etia motujwa nice extra premium nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushemojo muthongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watuika wina kiuria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729661667 kana 0755200197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
One day, you will eat, walk, and talk like royalty. I need you to wake up.
Uko aware this is not a game?
Make it happen.
We need to shut this business down.
Hii biashara ndo kila kitu kwenye hii familia. Nikufe ama nisikufe.
Kama mbaya.
An eye for an eye.
What is your family involved in? Tuko close to take control over the Hudson Empire. We ni mnoma sana.
Siasa ti untu bomanya kina untu kiriro noro mwanya ekroni bedrite bachumira kenda kurira twanya mwanya ndene ya thiguru ya kisiasa ekruba ne bedrite bakiuna kiendo cia marumi kuuro na kinya kuyukiro yantu batiumbana no tongeria kiriro noro mwanya murin kinya nedrite akarania na ekru atongeria bora bachumirite kurira twanya mwanya ndene ite bia kisiasa kiriro no ro mwanya kadha cio tongeria.
Kuma kaumo siasa imenyekete muno kwithirwa ikirikithwa na gutonywa ni antu arume ende ntukune cia nande ekuru baingi ibachumiritie kurwira na kinya kujukia twanya mwanya twa siasa ekuru no bagarure uthio bwa siasa utongeria bwa ekuru kiri siasa ibumite kuraja kiri rugonoru ni ntirimanite na ekuru mwanya mwanya baria bagerete siasa na bombana baria bonekete gutwika gitugie na kithomo kiri ari baba nake baria bakwenda gutonya siasene kiri gicunje kia mbere twitega ni mbio yongwa ya kuchiririe ekuru ba gutonya siasene
Kuithira siasa ni maisha na twira wa siasa mbaya maisha mbaya so ukiotegera siasa icho itu affect in very many ways akwetha isibitari chetu ndawa ira chesibitari education yetu ugoti bora tukurea licenses ira tukugita cia biashara manto yonthe ya controla wa siasa nonto antu bara bakuruka kia sheria hii kana bara ba debate law legislation ni parliamentarians na ni siasa
indro observe siasa sia Kenya at large na monomero ndra realize a very interesting observation that yanto akabate dhura ke itebia MP na nyanda cheke county assembly mero lendes bate dhura sana indra agenera interest nonto number 1 utongerete agenda utongere ni ability ya mtu kutongeria ndrona akakwithira bate kuthura ikumanisha bate in position of influence bate kumba ku control sheria bate kumba control resources
ndambiririe kuona siasa ndikana kanini sana nonto ndambiririe kuona mzee agita siasa ene mantu nejakonie nat na ndi 2022 turakarande ndiramwira uni nkwenda kurungama nonto we nambirite ati ndamwira uni nkwenda kurungama na nonto nkwenda kurungama kandari ndi kumenya no thimenti na mantu jayo kukurukira siasa undaringa 2013 na 2017
ntoraga na mantu ja kuru kumegita kinyarerea ndi kumangugenda from the bank indamberetie gikundi gya kuru ndagetaga aire favored daughters nenda atoma area mutindo jojo all through kire kuru ekuru mwekuru uka empower society na rea mwekuru in leadership mantu ya mengi mono ja change ya so imbiga wandena ontobo bwa kwareria ekuru na ko encourage no menyenye kuru betaira mantu ja marito mono na demo bakaga obareria mantu je ijaba retera thina mirimo mingera ekuru bethara beneo igukurukira mantu mengi jara bekurukagera so imbiga wandena that desire ya kwareria ekuru na kubera tiko gitumbikana
nchiareri nja ya siasa nkurete nkio na muchiario kwa baba the late Kiome akithithaia siasa dream politics yambererie ndene ya profession yakwa ya law na kinya rira ndetere guchwa giti kia chairman wa Mount Kenya former governor His Excellency Kiraito Murungi na supporta muno ben former women rep and former chairperson wa ombudsman Mheshimiwa Kajuju Florence.
kwina organization twaitanguge nayo etawa Farmers Helping Farmers. Organization yetu wita ngugi for the last nandika mbuge like 20 years. Na ndirira bejire uria be emwe yo yari ko empower ekuru. Na ndi no kumenya John to our area nere ekuru ni arimi na these small scale farmers. Na ndi ndaigagua ngwiritwe rira ndona hwi untu turabathithiria tuka uplift uturo bwao. Indethiritwe ndi in leadership te andageragia John to I was the coordinator of the electoral commission. Na ndiko leadership skills na trainings na bindari na beyond. Na ndi no kuigua kira kia profile gwita ikenda mbeca iria cia account ndaringanira na ici cia chore bantu betu bomba kuona mantu ja mega.
Na mugambo Chomba, the 2/3 gender rule ne gutethia ekuru ndene ya siasa ni kire gicunje kia bire kia rugono rwa mwanya nkathachia utongeria.